Today I am back at Stanley Park. We are here doing the Anfield stand expansion update. Hello. So we were going to do a drone video from the air, but it's quite windy up there today, so we've had to abort it. So we are going to do a walk around for you today, okay? So let's get into it. Don't forget, if you do enjoy this video today, you can like, share and subscribe to our channel for future videos of a similar content. Okay, so we are starting today by the Kenny Dalglish stand. So I believe a couple of weeks ago this corner piece didn't fit in, they had some trouble getting it in, but it is now all fitted in and complete. So they've started, I don't know if you can see that at the back there. Along here, there's some, it looks like PVC that's been added to that far corner. So that's all good. The old roof is still up, I don't know if you can see it there. So I think they're taking that down in the off season. If you do have any comments or any questions, we can try and find out the answers for you. Just leave them in the comment section below. Yeah, so that's where it's up to on this side. They've actually knocked these walls down now. So I don't know if you can see, so that must be part of the development. Okay, let's move on. So we're just moving on to this part. This is my favourite bit, as I said in previous videos, where you can basically see the whole site from here. We did get a tiny bit of drone footage before we started getting wind warnings, so I will add that into the video. It's not much, but I suppose it's better than none at all. So all the flooring is practically complete now, except that one piece. I don't know if you can see it there, just there. That one piece is still to go in. So they've moved the crane right next to the thing, so I'm guessing that's surplus to requirements. So look, yeah, you can see it a bit better here. See it looks like PVC. It's been added here, so it looks like if they're doing that, I'm guessing the structure's completely in place, but we'll see. See the brickwork on the pillars, looks like they're all complete now, and then they're just finishing off the last one at the end there. So yeah, it is moving at a quick pace, very quick pace. It's just a shame we can't get up in the air and see it properly from the sky. They are lifting something up with this small crane here, so we might stick around to see what's going on. Let's have a look. They're definitely lifting something up there. I think they just started doing the white PVC just on this corner. I'm guessing it's PVC. It looks like it. If it's not, it might be something completely different, and I might just be like completely wrong. But it looks to me like PVC or something of that nature. So just a quick shot of here. There's no real materials there. So I don't know whether they're waiting for some deliveries. Speaking of deliveries, oh, sorry about that. Looks like you've got concrete on there. Yeah. That wasn't planned, by the way. I didn't see that truck till after it said, like, maybe they're waiting for deliveries, and then it's just there. That genuinely just happened the way it did. Okay, so this is the other side by the main stand. So let's see what's going on. So, yeah. I don't know what that crane was lifting up, but it seems to have stopped. So, let's see if we can just get a bit closer here. We're not getting towed off. So, both corner pieces are in, as you can see. The roof looks nearly complete, which is there. Someone's beeping. Hope it's not at me. Looks like this machine here, I think it's some sort of crane, it's doing something. So, yeah. That's it. So, yeah, that is it for that video. Just a quick all around, a little quick update. We were coming to do a drone video originally, but as I say, didn't happen. Getting wind warnings and stuff like that, so it is what it is. We'll try again soon. Yeah, we will leave you with one final shot of the site as a whole. At least it's a nice day. We'll see you very soon. Take care of yourselves. Yeah, so there it is. Take care, we'll see you soon.